Righto guys, welcome back to another BAW Tube episode. We have Bart's car back. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, we did a fairly big build on Bart's car probably about 2 years ago now. He wants to get rid of this, which is the original 5-speed manual, and put this in, which is a new Wholesale's automatic transmission, 6-speed. It's AB60, so I'm pretty sure it's the exact same one that comes out of 200 series. Adapter plate to use the original transfer case, full big custom center console and everything, using a Prado shifter. Run by the Compushift setup. I'm sort of about halfway through it at the moment, but yeah, just about to throw the new auto in, throw the transfer case on, start bolting everything back up, and then I can start, a bit noisy on the forklift, but then I can start doing everything else and go from there. But yeah, come along with us and watch the episode, and thanks for that. As you saw before, the gearbox is now in, console's in, everything's hooked up. I'm just waiting back for confirmation from Wholesales about the map that I'm going to put into the Compushift. So basically I give them all the details of the car, rough horsepower figures, tyre size, stuff like that. They then send me an email and I can do the stuff through Compushift and upload that in that, so at least we got a starting map in that system, so all of this works. But yeah, pretty cool little setup. Console's in, Prado shifter, got all your sports mode, you'll have all your readouts and everything here. Be able to do your transmission temps, RPMs, stuff like that, your load of the engine, obviously what gear you're in, if you're park neutral drive or reverse. Everything works as factory. Four-wheel drive is still four-wheel drive, the same lever, same drive shafts, everything. It's actually a very good, easy kit. So next step is, yeah, that programming, and then hopefully fill her up with some oil and test drive it and go from there.
You want to explore the great outdoors in a way that only a 4x4 can provide? Well, hold on to your hats, because the ultimate 4x4 Expo is coming to Brisbane. Get ready to see the greatest in off-road vehicles, accessories, and gear. Don't miss the most exciting event of the year. Come and see the BAW stand at the 4x4 Expo.
Righto, ladies and gents, the auto is done, it's in, it's finished. I've just done some test drives, checked all the oils, done all my checks. Few little things left to do on the car, and then the customer can have it back and enjoy it. But that's basically what you get when you're in the car. This is the Prado shifter, like I said previously, and it'll do everything you need it to do. But all your outputs here, your park, reverse and neutral, and drive, and then you got your sports mode, which you can then go through all the way up to 6 gear, all the way back down to first. It has the torque converter lockup, which is this switch right here. It will cut in, cut out, but if you do need to manually put it on, you got to make sure that you're above 1500 RPM, otherwise the car will act like a manual and it'll just stall. So if you ever push that button and you stopped at a set of lights, it'll just go bleh and stop. So that's all done, it's all tested. Customer can basically pretty much come pick it up once we've done our few other little bits and pieces, and happy days. Thanks for watching another YouTube episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow us on all our socials, come help us out. If you want some merch, we got some merch up online, so jump online and have a look at that and help us out. So thanks guys. Out of my face.